Chief Justice Mogoeng Mogoeng's term of office coming to an end next month amid growing calls, or rather growing concerns in the legal fraternity about the process to appoint his successor. Mogoeng has been on leave since May, and when he returns, he'll start clearing his office, essentially. Newzroom Afrika's senior politics reporter, Ziyanda Ngcobo, has more.
South Africa is about to have a new Chief Justice installed at a time when the judiciary has been placed at the center of political wrangling and contestation. The process of a new appointment, according to Section 174, subsection 3 of the Constitution, involves President Cyril Ramaphosa and his cabinet consulting the Judicial Services Commission and political parties in the National Assembly on a suitable candidate. This task, which could take weeks, is yet to begin in earnest.
The clock is very much ticking. As you say, the normal process or the minimum process that the Constitution requires would mean that a potential candidate or candidates would be interviewed by the JSC, and there also has to be consultation with members of the political parties represented in Parliament. And now that we've had the announcement that Parliament's rising on Friday, that presumably is only going to complicate the process.
Judges Matter, an entity which monitors the hiring and firing of judicial officers, says at this stage there's no indication from the presidency of any movement of Mogoeng Mogoeng's successor, which is a point of concern.
The presidency needs to have gotten the ball rolling at this point in time. It's not enough to say that there will continue to be someone to act in the position until a permanent Chief Justice is appointed. That simply does not cut it. The judiciary needs a solid leader in place.
There are some quarters within the legal fraternity which are calling for the appointment of the country's first woman Chief Justice.
So we've previously nominated judges for the bench, in the Constitutional Court bench, and our nominations have obviously always been women judges, black women for that matter. South Africa has yet to have a black woman judge, Chief Justice, sorry. And so it's important that within the pool, the President considers women judges for the appointment of the position.
By the time Mogoeng leaves, there'll at least be 5 vacancies within the Constitutional Court, with an acting Chief Justice, Raymond Zondo, who already has his hands full with the state capture inquiry. Many are questioning how soon a new leader of the highest court in the land will be appointed without a protracted vacuum. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Ziyanda Ngcobo in Johannesburg.